Are you also ignored by people? Does no girl pay attention to you? Is there no one who respects you? So this video is just for you. How to make everyone fall for you. Whether you want to make new friends, impress that special someone, or just boost your charisma, I've got the secrets you need. But stick around until the end. The last tip has changed my whole life. And there's also a bonus tip in last, so don't miss it. 1. Be confident. First up, confidence is key. Imagine walking into a room filled with people. Who do you notice first? It's usually the person who carries themselves with confidence. Confidence shows that you believe in yourself, and that's magnetic. Example, think of someone like Emma Watson. She exudes confidence, whether she's on a red carpet or speaking at the UN. You can boost your confidence by practicing positive self-talk. Every morning, stand in front of the mirror and say, I am capable, I am strong, and I can connect with anyone. Trust me, this small habit can transform how you perceive yourself. 2. Let's talk about listening. Have you ever been in a conversation where the other person was clearly distracted? It feels terrible, right? People love when they feel heard. Example, think of a time when a friend shared something important with you. Did you make eye contact and nod along? That's active listening. When someone speaks, focus completely on them. Ask follow-up questions like, how did that make you feel? Or what happened next? This shows genuine interest and makes the other person feel valued, creating a deeper connection. Now, before moving on, drop a like on this video and do subscribe if you haven't yet. You won't find a channel like this anywhere else. 3. Find common interests. Now let's move on to finding common interests. Connecting over shared passions can create instant bonds. Example, imagine you meet someone who loves singing, just like you. You might say, which song do you like? This opens up a dialogue about something you both enjoy, making the conversation more engaging and memorable. Try to explore topics like music, movies, or books. If you find that common ground, you'll notice how easily the conversation flows and how much more connected you feel. 4. Show kindness and empathy. A simple act of kindness can leave a lasting impression. Example, picture this. You're at a coffee shop, and you notice someone struggling to carry their drinks. Offering to help isn't just kind, it can spark a conversation. You might say, let me help you with that. After helping them, you can chat about your favorite coffee blends or their day. This not only makes you feel good, but also shows others that you genuinely care, making them more inclined to connect with you. 5. Now, let's discuss humor. A good sense of humor can win hearts. Laughter is a powerful bonding tool. Example, imagine sharing a funny story about a time you tried to bake a cake and ended up with a kitchen disaster. You might say, I tried to make a chocolate cake, but it looked more like a volcano. Everyone loves a good laugh, and this can lead to lighthearted banter, making you more approachable and enjoyable to be around. 6. Be authentic. Next up, being authentic is crucial. People can sense when someone is being fake, and authenticity attracts genuine relationships. Example, think of someone like Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. He's known for being unapologetically himself, sharing his journey, struggles, and triumphs with his fans. When you embrace your true self, you draw people in. So share your quirks. Maybe you have an obsession with collecting rare comic books or a knack for quoting classic movies. The more real you are, the more others will connect with you. 7. And finally, tip number 7, dress to impress. Your appearance makes a significant first impression. Example, when you think of a confident person, what comes to mind? Someone who dresses well and carries themselves with pride. You don't have to be trendy, but wearing clothes that fit well and reflect your style makes a difference. When you feel good about how you look, it boosts your confidence and changes how others perceive you. So, find your style, whether it's casual, chic, or a bit quirky, and wear it with pride. Now, the ultimate secret tip. Now, before listening to this tip, leave a like on this video. And here's the ultimate secret tip. Always leave them wanting more. Create an air of mystery about yourself. Like, instead of sharing your entire life story in one conversation, reveal bits and pieces over time. If someone asks about your hobbies, share a few, but save some intriguing details for later. This intrigue keeps people curious and interested in you. Say you love travel. Mention that you recently visited a stunning place, but save the juicy details for your next encounter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on tips to level up your social game. Share your experiences or any tips you have in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community together. See you soon.